Every week we take our net off the boat and we do the maintenance that we have to do. Usually there's always twine that's torn, or we have to check the cables to make sure everything's measuring up. We have to check it all over more or less just to keep it in tip-top shape, because trouble equals expense. My name is Chad Spence. I belong to Port au Soir on the northern peninsula of Newfoundland. My father, Dwight Spence, he's the owner and the skipper of the vessel. I fish with my older brother. He's a deckhand on deck. His name is Ashley Spence. He's been fishing now for about 22, 23 years. And there's a local friend here, Wade Rumbold. He started out with Dad, and he's been there ever since. The fishing grounds are only approximately about 5-6 miles off, but now as time goes by in our season, we have to go further for the catch rates. We have to steam up north sometimes for 20 hours to get to our fishing grounds. We put the net in the water first, and the net is sunk by 2 steel doors so that we can drag the net along the bottom, and they open up the net like a big canopy. We tow for about 3 hours, 3.5 hours, all depending if the catch rates are good or not. And actually after the 3 hours, we just haul back, I guess, and get ready to clean up our shrimp. We use a grid system on our nets that allows about 80-90% of all bycatch to pass out through the top part of the net. It's just an opening there, that's all, and all the bigger fish and bycatch and everything, they just go out through a hole there, and the shrimp just follows the twine back through the net and goes on back through what we call a grate. There is an odd small species that go back through there. This is our job when the net is hauled aboard and the shrimp is dumped in our box. We have to pick this out and make sure that the shrimp is clean. Usually it takes us about 45 minutes to an hour to clean up our catch. Then we take the catch, we put it in our fish hold, ice it, and we just, we wait around for another 3 hours till the next tow comes back. The future, it's questionable. It's like a farmer, I guess. One day you can have drought, the next day you can be flooded out. We don't know, but you know, it is an expensive fishery that we are into. Hopefully it stays good, it stays up there, and we're able to keep the family tradition alive.